In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the League of Legends freezing and crashing. Now first what we can try is simply come down here and look for Windows Update. Check if you have a Windows Update, make sure you take it. Then after that what we can do is we can find our League of Legends game right here. What you want to do is you want to right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, and from in here you want to check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Make sure this is enabled, press apply and OK. See if it works now. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here, search for the task manager. In here you want to go to details, sort by the name, press L, find League of Legends, close down everything with League of Legends, and then type in V and close down your vanguards. Now then what you want to do is simply try and reopen League of Legends and see if this fixes the issue. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here and search for apps and features, search for the Vanguard, uninstall, and then try and reopen League, and the right Vanguard should update itself and install by itself. Now as a last resort, if none of these works, what you can do is simply type in League of Legends, uninstall, as well as the Vanguard, uninstall both at once, and then do a clean reinstall of League of Legends. Now any of these should hopefully fix your issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.